I would recommend Python. Pick a language and dedicate 2 months to learning it. If you spend 3 to 5 hours every day studying and coding, you can learn any of these languages in about 2 months. The next thing you need to learn is a version control system like Git. Git is not a programming language, it's a tool that we use to track changes to our code and collaborate with others. Git and GitHub, which is a platform that hosts Git repositories. Data structures and algorithms are critical subjects taught to computer science students, and they are often covered in tech interviews, especially at big tech companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft. While you can skip this step and go to the next, as someone who has had the privilege of teaching millions of people, I highly recommend you not overlook this step. Otherwise, you're going to feel the pain later in your career. So spend 1 to 2 months studying classic computing and ASP.NET Core, which we will talk about in a few minutes. So learning these design patterns will give you a deeper understanding of object-oriented design principles and how these frameworks work under the hood. I got to tell you, this book is pretty old and it's written in C++.